The Automatic Colorway feature allows you to generate a large number of colorways quickly with simple adjustments. This feature can be used for both digital and conventional designs. Conventional designs can be used directly without any separation process. Digital designs must be separated into masks to enable automatic colorway generation. You can watch our digital design fast color separation video for how to do color separation. Right-click on the preview of the colorway you want to use based on the channel colors or separated colors and select the Create Automatic Colorway option. After clicking, the Automatic Colorway Generator window will appear. This window is where you make adjustments for the automatic colorways. In the top left corner of the window, colorable areas are displayed. You can select them individually or use the Select/Deselect All option to toggle them all at once. The colorizing setting appears in the bottom left corner. You can use the color adjustment settings to desaturate or saturate all colors and to increase or decrease brightness. In the middle section, there is an area where you can adjust the color groups. Grouping is used for many purposes, such as to maintain the harmony of similar colors in the design. After grouping colorable areas, assign colors from different catalogs to the groups. Let one or more colors move independently from others, but stay consistent within the group. You can add new groups using the Add New Group button or reset all arranged groups using the Reset All Groups button. The created group contains a catalog selection button. When you click the Select button, you can choose color from Spectrum or any other desired color catalog. When you select a color catalog, the color splitting wizard window will appear. From this window, you can adjust the colors you want to be automatically generated based on the hue, saturation, and brightness values. In the bottom left corner, there is the Automated Colorway mode. The Random Colors from Catalog mode selects random colors from the catalog. The Compatible Colors from Catalog mode checks the harmony of the colors in the group and selects a matching color from the catalog for each one. The Single Color from Catalog mode selects a color from the chosen catalog and replaces the closest color in the group with it. The remaining colors in the group are adjusted based on their transition differences with the replaced color and adopt colors independently of the catalog you selected. After all adjustments are made, click the Separate button to assign a catalog to that group. In the bottom center, the number of automated colorways to be generated is written. The maximum number of colorways that can be generated at once is 250. On the right side, you can see the previews by selecting the colorizing areas. When you click on the color in the Colorable Area window, the selected area's appearance in the design will be displayed in the preview window on the right side of the window. After making all the adjustments, you can create the colorways by clicking the Generate button in the bottom right corner or close the window with Cancel. When the generation is complete, you will be able to preview all the colorways on a single page. On the left side, you will see the numbers of the generated and selected colorways. You can move between colorways using the side slider or your mouse wheel. By clicking the Select box, you can choose colorways to add. On the right side, you can preview the selected colorways. When this option is enabled, the selected colorway will appear on a new page to the right. You can select and preview all generated colorways. With the Show Selected Colorways option, you can view only the selected colorways. If you click Select all colorways on that page will be selected automatically. Once everything is done, click Add Selected Colorways to proceed. The added colorways will appear in the Colorways window. Additionally, you can adjust the automated colorways. Congratulations! You learned how to use automatic colorways.